All right. Forex market trade of the day. Silver is under the microscope today. And again, this is not, this is a familiar case, right? We've been on the silver for quite some time now, basically just surfing those waves. And it's been great so far. I mean, we've had a lot of success on the way down from the top of 31.95 as price action was turning around. We were here calling it out and also establishing a short position which just kept growing that position as price action was kind of sliding downwards. We built up that position all the way to 30.10, knocked off that target, and then 29.50 was our final destination. We knocked off that profit target as well. And then of course we went to look for opportunities elsewhere, but we kept an eye on the silver because we knew there's a good chance it was going to turn around here at the bottom, because 29.22 and 29.50, you know, these two levels were providing a solid support area. So we waited for price action to turn around, and as it did, and it gave us that confirmation of upside reversal when it was coming down to check 29.50. And as it bounced off, that was the moment we pulled the trigger the first time. Now, we've doubled up our position size because I feel like price action right now, as we speak, is breaking 30.10. Now, it hadn't been confirmed yet. Price action can do what it did yesterday, which was faking it, right? Yesterday, it was starting to drill through 30.10, but guess what happened? Just before the end of the day, it dropped. So that was a fake out rather than a breakout. But today, I have a strong feeling this breakout is going to be legit. All right. Obviously, I might be wrong, and price action might drop again and fake that breakout, and that's not going to be good for us. Obviously, I might even consider pulling out completely if that's going to be the case. But I feel like this is a real breakout that's happening right now. So I allowed myself to fire off the second trade. So we're doubling up our position size. Again, if you think about it, this is not a big move we're talking about. As opposed to the move that we took on the way down, which was almost, from coast to coast, if you will, right? From 31.90 all the way down to 29.50. That was a big one. That was a big move, bigger than this one. Here, it's a little bit different. We're going to be satisfied just with 31.08 because that's a solid key level resistance. I don't want to take the chance of going beyond that point. So all eyes are on that 31.08 level. But definitely we need a daily close today above 30.10, right? That's a requirement. We need that to gain more confidence, carry on with this position, and also get more aggressive and fire off another trade, maybe even two, before we reach the target. Okay? Now, as far as stop loss level goes, it's still in its original placement, which is 29. But hey, once price action today, right? All eyes are on today's session. Today's session going to end up closing the daily bar above 30.10. That's going to be not just a cue for us to keep going, but also start tightening up our stop loss level, right? We're going to start trailing our stop loss level. I believe the next location for the stop loss level is going to be slightly below the lowest low of yesterday. So we're talking about the level of 29.30 roughly, right? 29.30, 29.40. That's going to be the new location, hopefully tomorrow, for our stop loss level. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. Silver looking good, looking sharp, moving forward as expected, and obviously we're riding that move. We're holding tight. I will come back to this, follow up on the situation, and keep you posted. In the meantime, I want to wish you a great trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as you would expect, as always. So take care.